How many miles you got on this car now?
391,700.
Wow. Okay. Man.
I bought it brand new with 26 miles on it.
Really? Wow, you're running it. All right.
I'm Daryll Nova. I'm just an old guy playing around in a car that I took too far. So.
Okay.
I like the shows.
Yes, sir. So what are these subs?
Brazilian Sound Platinums, 215s.
Okay.
I love them. They're so musical.
Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
And stuff.
Yes, sir.
And they just fit so well on my trunk. So.
Yeah, they did good to be able to fit 15s. Yeah.
Yeah, and stuff. I got an 8-inch Aeroport that blows off the driver's side.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Okay.
And my back deck is cut out to kind of release the music and sound.
Okay. Is there a way I can see the port? I didn't see it before. Okay.
Might be able. I'm coming to get you. I forgot.
Oh, you're good.
I always space it.
You're good. I'm always used to going over the window.
The port is here, so it's probably real hard to see.
Yeah, that's good.
Inch Aeroport.
I see it. Okay.
And
Nice.
stuff, and then my back deck is cut out to let the
That's
sound.
where it was letting it breathe.
Yeah, it was unloading. It unloads here. I ripped this open. It was actually flapping and
Really?
stuff. Yeah. I had to put in a bunch of spray foam in there.
Okay.
But apparently it shoots out right.
Yeah.
And stuff. I got a 90 C-Max under there.
Okay.
Dayton DSP back there. And then the SFB is only hooked to my head.
Got it.
Brand Axle 280.
All right. Wow.
I usually just demo it before
You can hear the doors and everything.
yeah, and stuff. I'm not real stupid loud, so I
It's loud to me.
I
It's
wanna
pretty
be,
crazy.
I want to be musical.
Yes,
so.
sir.
It's out just today. I'm living how I wanna live. Just tell them kiss my ass. Shit, they look a little sad. No, I ain't tryna brag. But I'ma run it up like a drunk man stand with a smirk up on my face. Sunshine in my pocket, guys. Sweat out the lace. Yeah, snakeskin's what I'm rocking. Got that Glock up on my waist. Who you better watch it, man. I'm bouncing like a rooster, yeah. Be the little cocky, yeah. I can't tell
Nice.
I'm no freak, 'cause I be the little cocky. See me walking with a limp, 'cause I be the little cocky. I like talking a lot of shit, but my hands up like a
I'm the one, walk away with your mouth to chillin' up. No, I'm not that nigga that be hooked up with your butt. I'm the one, walk away with your mouth to chillin' up.
got the boots without the lace. Snakeskin's what I'm rocking. Got that Glock up on my waist. Oh, you better watch it, man. I'm bouncing like a rooster, yeah. I feel a little cocky, yeah. I think that I'm a freak, cause I feel a little cocky. See me walking with a limp, cause I feel a little cocky. I might talk a lot of shit, put my hands up like a monkey. I'm bouncing like a rooster, yeah. I feel a little cocky. First one in, last one out. Hustle real hard, but there's no doubt. When you talk about me, better watch your mouth. And I count for the bottom, yeah, I'm talking about the South. So test me, don't do it. Got one count when I shoot it. I place it, I prove it. Got mud all my juice. Up on my face. Sunshine in my pocket. Got the boots without the lace. Snakeskin what I'm rocking. Got that Glock on my waist. Oh, you better watch it, man. Bouncing like a rooster, yeah. Feel a little cocky, yeah. Think I'm a freak. Feel a little cocky. See me walking with a limp. Feel a little cocky. That's a lot of shit. Hands up like a monkey. I'm bouncing like a
Pussy finger licking good like I mixed it with a plate. Nigga eating like a player when you really trip a coat. With some hoes in his house and they going through your face. Hands on your knees, bitch, bust it back, ayy. Through the tights, you can see the pussy fat, ayy. Through the pockets, I can see a nigga back, ayy. I'm a
That's good musical response too.
That's what it's mainly built for, is
Yeah.
music.
When I put this up, it got a lot louder. Just the way the load is at the window. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate the demo.
I usually just demo with both doors open.
You can hear the doors and everything.
Yeah, and stuff. I'm not real stupid and loud, so
It's loud to me.
I
It's pretty crazy.
want to be musical.
Yes,
so.
sir.